The Datapoint 3300 was the first computer terminal manufactured by the Computer Terminal Corporation, later renamed to Datapoint Corporation, announced in 1967 and shipping in 1969. Since this terminal was intended to replace a teleprinter such as those made by Teletype Corporation, it was one of the first glass TTYs, glass for the screen. TTY is the abbreviation for teletype, ever produced. As well as being sold under its own name, it was also sold as the DEC VT06 and the HP 2600A, introduced in 1972. Details: the Datapoint 3300 emulated a Teletype Model 33, but went beyond what a teletype could achieve with its paper output. It supported control codes to move the cursor up, down, left and right, to the top left of the screen, or to the start of the bottom line. The 3300 could also clear to the end of the current line, or clear to the end of the screen. It did not, however, support direct cursor positioning. It also had 25 rows of 72 columns of uppercase characters, rather than the 80x24, that would become more common in subsequent years. Hardware: unlike later terminals, such as the VT100, the Datapoint 3300 did not use a microprocessor in its implementation, but instead used TTL logic in small-scale integrated circuits. At the time of its introduction, RAM was expensive. It would not be until 1970 that Intel released the 1103, the first RAM semiconductor memory chip, making RAM affordable. Thus, the terminal stored its display of 25 rows of 72 columns of uppercase characters using 54 200-bit shift registers, arranged in 6 tracks of 9 packs each, providing storage for 1800 6-bit characters. The shift register design meant that scrolling the terminal display could be accomplished by simply pausing the display output to skip one line of characters. References: see also Datapoint 2200. External links: Datapoint documentation on bitsavers.org. Page with links to a doctoral thesis about early microprocessor history, with lots of details about Datapoint's role, and a copy of the Datapoint 2200 Programmer's Guide, both in PDF format, both with a lot of historical detail. The man who invented the PC. Unofficial Datapoint organization website at datapoint.org.